Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Swati and you're watching Backyard Gardening. Today we'll see how to create this gorgeous decor piece for your living room using air plants. Alright, so let's get started. So here I'm taking this glass bowl which I bought online. I'll share the link in case you want to buy it. Now I'll pour in some white stone chips into it. You can use white sand also. Now I'm keeping a stone in there. Then I got a cutting from dried branch and I'll put it near this stone. Then I'll keep a ceramic house on it. And now I'll put a DIY ladder along. I used bamboo skewers to make it. Cut it into pieces, glue them using Fevicol, and it's ready. And now coming to these gorgeous air plants, I'll put them as it is on both the sides of the stone, as they don't require any potting soil or any growing media. Now I'll give the final touch using few more decor pieces like these miniature figurines. Then I'll put few shells and conches and it's done. So this is the look of our cute DIY using air plants. So how was it guys? I hope you liked it. Do try growing them. I will share the buying link of your plants. Do create such kind of decor pieces for your living room, for your bedroom, and share your experiences with me. And stay tuned for a detailed video on air plants. See you.